how to make Google Chrome browser more faster 100%. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just keep watching until the end. So all what you have to do is open your Chrome browser and then go to the top here, click on those three dots and then scroll all the way down and click on settings and then go to the system option and then make sure to disable this option and this option too. And after you disable those options, now all what you have to do is go to privacy and security. Now go here and click on site settings, scroll down, and now all what you have to do is click on location and click on don't allow, and go back, click on camera and click on don't allow, and then go back again, click on microphone and click on don't allow. So all what you have to do is block all those options and permissions, and after that the last option or the last step is go to pop-ups and redirects and make sure to block them too, and then all what you have to do is close your browser and reopen it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.